What is going on, everybody? Today we are going to unbox the Cold Steel Mini Tac neck knife. Now, I'm totally not a neck knife person. Don't really like anything really like a knife hanging from my neck. But I am going to give it a shot and see how I like it and see if I can actually get the right kind of belt clip or pocket clip or something to work with it. Sometimes they do work and sometimes they don't, especially Kydex, because you tend to tighten them up. But either way, let's unbox it, take a look, see what we got. This is the packaging. We have a 3 3/4 inch blade and 6 3/4 overall, and AUS 8A steel, not too bad. Again, this is only a $30 knife, so 2.7 ounces, 2.5 millimeters thick, and a 3-inch Griv-Ex handle. Okay, and there's your number, the mini Tac Tanto plain edge. Okay, get rid of that. Okay, make a little bit of rattling noise on the Secure X sheath. It's got some good retention. Yeah, we got a nice little bit of a hollow grind from the looks of it, from the feel of it, and flat out the end. Let's see how that feels. Not too bad. It's a little flat. That will obviously make it carry a little bit better, but that's what I was kind of always worried about, is it just being a little flat and maybe not getting enough of a grip on it. I do like the finger groove, because you're definitely going to be pretty secure with your grip. You got some nice jimping up here that also helps with the grip, but a little more of a contoured handle to kind of fill your hand. I have a medium-sized hand, so if you've got a large hand, this is probably not going to be very comfortable in your hand, because I can kind of say it's just really missing a little bit of girth. It could have a little bit more thickness to it in the handle. It just feels like it's really missing. The blade's a nice length. I mean, I like the overall size. I think it would carry pretty good on your side or even in your pocket if you can get the right kind of clip to match up with these holes. That's the little more of a challenge. There's a bunch of universal ones out there that do adjust, so this one over here might work, but maybe a spacer to just get even with that. But yeah, I mean, overall, AUS 8 steel, stainless steel, and that's not too bad. Like I said, just feels like there could be a little more in the handle there, just a little bit more. So if you've got big hands, this probably not going to be, unless you really don't mind having something really small in your hands, but there's just not really a lot there. But either way, I mean, got a pretty good edge on it, so yeah. All right, very interesting. So there you guys go. That's the unboxing, and we'll do a follow-up when I figure out what I put on for a clip and how it carries. So there you guys go. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. We'll catch you next time. Have a great day.